IRM Leg Mating Units LMU are specially designed for the smooth installation of the top deck on the jacket legs. They generally take lateral misalignment jerks and vertical loads and position the top deck easily onto the jacket. The deck is lowered on these leg mating units, and they smoothly transfer these loads to the structure without jerks and impact loading. Leg mating units are a combination of horizontal elastomers and vertical elastomers assembled in metal fabricated cans. These elastomeric units with structural support shows a very good resilience in actual load transfer conditions. Leg mating units can be provided in top deck and jackets as required. Because of their critical function, leg mating units are subjected to cyclic tests, load deformation tests, and extreme load-bearing capacity tests. The elastomers of IRM leg mating units can perform without creeping under high load, as they are made from special-grade elastomeric compound to achieve desired results. IRM possess an in-house facility to design, manufacture, and test the LMUs, including evaluating design with FEA under stringent quality check. IRM leg mating units are available in different designs. More details can be provided on request. Custom-made and higher-size leg mating units can also be manufactured as per the client's requirements.